Jordan, what are you doing in the closet? Can you close that door for Daddy? Can you close that closet door? Please? Jordan? Better be careful. Jordan? Here, let's put that up. Come out and close the door, please. You're cleaning the floor? You gonna sweep the floor? Thank you. Can you close that door? Jordan? 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 You gonna dance and sweep the floor? You gonna dance and sweep the floor at the same time? Do it. 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 Go Jordan. 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 And you're gonna bake a cake too? You're gonna bake a cake too? Go Jordan. Go Jordan. Go Jordan. Go Jordan.